Hi, this is how you factory restore the IO Sense charging puck that comes included with the IO Series 10 toothbrush. Something that can be good to do if the puck is malfunctioning or if you want to connect the puck to a new network or toothbrush. If you want to see how to factory reset the actual toothbrush as well, please see this video on how to do that. Alright, usually this little puck can be resetted from within the Oral-B app by just accessing the Devices tab, selecting the charger, and then clicking on Reset Settings. In my case though, this did not work at all for some reason. Luckily though, there is a bit of a hidden way to factory reset the charging puck directly from itself. Here, firstly make sure that the puck is plugged in to power. Then locate the little Wi-Fi symbol on the back. This is actually also a touch button of sorts. What we want to do here is to put our finger on this button and then leave it there for about 7 seconds, whereupon the whole thing then starts to shine orange. When this happens, we then need to tap the Wi-Fi symbol one time, making the orange light starting to rotate. Something that then indicates that a factory reset is being made. After this, the charger restarts and is then ready to be set up again using the normal setup guide in the app. Alright, that is about that. Hope the video helped. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.